The Maruti Suzuki Fronx Infotainment System features a 7-inch or 9-inch touchscreen running Android-based software. Let's get you connected. First, for Bluetooth, access the settings menu on the infotainment screen. Select Bluetooth and then Pair Device. Scan for your phone and confirm the PIN displayed. This enables hands-free calling and audio streaming. For navigation, use the integrated Google Maps or Apple Maps via CarPlay Android Auto. Enable location services for accurate directions. Offline maps are available for use in areas with poor signal. Make sure your system is up to date by checking for software updates. For voice commands, press the voice button and use Call Mom or play music from Spotify. The Fronx Infotainment System offers wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. Connect your phone wirelessly via Wi-Fi or via USB. To launch Android Auto, tap the Android Auto icon on the home screen. This will mirror your phone's interface. Use Google Assistant for voice commands. For CarPlay, Siri handles voice commands, for example, navigate to destination. The system prioritizes safety. Certain functions are disabled while driving to minimize distractions. If you experience issues, try restarting the system via the power button or using the diagnostics menu. Keep your SAR updated to avoid app crashes.